Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out for a ride today. We've been out for quite a while, since this morning. We've been out for about 2.5 hours, but we are over toward Bisbee, Arizona on the Goldwing. I'm actually out trying out the new helmet. I have the Phantom helmet from Sena, which is a smart helmet. It has the built-in communication, the new generation Harman Kardon speakers, super audio, super clear, mesh 2.0 and 3.0. And I'm connected to my wife, which she's got an Arizoan helmet with a Sena 60S. And I mean, the audio is really, really good. Playing the stereo on this thing sounds really good too. It's the best I've ever heard in a helmet, for sure, the best audio. And this is probably the most comfortable Sena helmet that I've tried on. It's actually more comfortable than my Climb helmet for my DSport. But yeah, the padding and everything is super comfortable, super quiet. It blocks out a lot of the wind noise and just really, really good. But we're just out trying it out today, seeing how it does. I made a video whenever I got the helmet showing a short ride on it, but it wasn't using the comm part. I was just using the stereo and tried that out. I didn't have her on here, but now I can try out the comm part. I'd like to try it out one of these days with somebody else riding in front of me or behind me. That way you can try it out with a distance and see how it does. But this is a cool helmet. I mean, it's got like 35-hour talk time, which is ridiculously long. Way longer than any Sena I've ever had. And I've had Senas a lot through the years, from the, way back, the Sena 10Rs and the Sena 50C I use for videoing, and 30Ks. Bunch of them. Now I have the Sena 60S, like on her helmet, and on my DSport helmet, my Climb. But this thing is far superior in fit and finish and the feel, and the audio. So it also has a tinted visor that you can just reach up on top, pull the lever, put the tint down, raise it up. Either way. The shield is really nice. It does have a position where you can just click it a little bit and it gaps up about 1/4 inch. And that way you can get a little bit of air in there to clear it out. Now it is pin lock ready. You can get a pin lock. It don't come with a pin lock, but it's pin lock ready. Has the tabs where you can put one on it. I'm not a pin lock user really, so I don't care about that feature. It does have the tail lights and the brake lights, so when I slow down on the bike, the brake lights come on the helmet, and when I speed up, of course, they go off. It just flashes a few times. And then it has the headlight, which is basically a flashlight on the front, which is cool. Like if you're at night and you need to get into your saddlebags and look around, you don't have to dig around for a flashlight. You just got one right there on your helmet. Pretty cool. And you can connect this thing to like the Garmin GPS. I can connect it to my Goldwing, which it's connected now, so I can play my music through it. I can do turn-by-turn navigations through the system, or my phone. I can do anything through my phone, make phone calls on it. This is the only way to go. And if you consider it's like $500 to $550 depending on the size you get, it sounds like a lot of money, but if you add up going and buying a new helmet and then going and paying another $300 or $350 for a comm unit to go on it, $300 to $400 I should say, for a comm unit to go on it, then $500 to $550 is not bad at all. And this is a lot better setup than any comm unit you're going to stick on the side of the helmet. It's all totally built in and seamless. And because it's Mesh 2.0 and Mesh 3.0, the communication is seamless. You just connect to somebody if they're on the channel you're on, like Mesh Channel 1, Open Mesh Channel 1. They just turn theirs on Open Mesh Channel 1, you're automatically connected. You don't have to connect like you do on the Bluetooth that you're used to if you've had them. It's automatically connected, and then if they happen to ride and get out of range, well, as soon as you catch up or they slow down, whatever, you get back in range, they automatically reconnect. It's just seamless. So we're just down here going for a little trip, going through Bisbee here, and then we're headed back toward the house. We've been out toward Tombstone today, had some breakfast over there. Is that Cricket starting in back there?
Yep, it is.
Cricket is in the back. We got the Nelson Rigg Rover pet carrier on the back rack, and we get doing this slow stuff through town. He wants to stop and get out and walk and play. He don't want to stay back there. Going down the road, he don't mind, as long as you're going. But he don't like stopping and sitting in there. He wants to get out. So that's why we're going this slow. He's kind of yipping a little bit.
Yeah. He's probably about ready to get home too.
Probably. He's been out all day or all morning, so it's 11:30 now. We started out about 9. There's some dogs there. He might not see them. Well, I guess he didn't see them.
Guess not.
That or he just didn't bark at them. But yeah, the communication between these is amazing how good they sound. Really good. And this thing also, I took and mounted a mount to the chin part so I could use my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera on here. I will pull over here real quick and show you. I have to quick because Cricket will start barking. He don't like me stopping.
Yeah, he's gonna freak out here in a minute.
But this way you can kind of see the helmet. I put a chin mount that I made. Now it makes it where I can't open the vent on the front, but I got to have a way to mount my camera. And Siri back there, she has the Sena 60S on her, but this is a super nice helmet. I mean, you can see, go down the shield. Nice, you can just crack it open just a 1/4 inch like that, let some air in to clear the fog. I like that. Super comfortable. Buttons right here on the side for the headlight, tail light. Then on this side we have the buttons for volume up, volume down, powering it on, and we have our mesh button right there. Super easy to use. But there's I just wanted a real world ride, not just a talking about how the helmet is. I wanted to be out riding it, talking about it, so with communicating with my wife. And this was a good day for a ride because it's supposed to be 70% chance of rain later. So I've only got the one Phantom helmet. I'm hoping that Sena will get me the other one for my wife. That way we both have a match set when we go off and do our Goldwing adventure videos to different states or even in Arizona. But this is the matte black. You can also get this in glossy black or glossy white, either way. And I believe they have sizes like small, medium, large, X large, and XX large is the sizes they have them in. 3 shell sizes. Of course, it is a fiberglass helmet. We're going to go back this way here. Through the tunnel. And when I put the shield down, probably changes my audio on the microphone, I'm sure, but it blocks out pretty much all the noise. And I've got the windshield down on the bike. I can hear a little bit, and if I open the vents, I can hear a little bit, but not much. So it's definitely well designed.
Yeah, I'm even hearing you better back here, even with my wind noise.
Yeah, it sounds a lot different with me. I got the shield shut. You're just hearing none of the air coming in. We go up this way, we go through the mountain on the way back. Kind of back the same way we came from. Just kind of made a loop through Bisbee, back through the mountain tunnel up here. And of course, Bisbee, this is just right near home. We're just not very many miles to the house. Anyway, guys, there you go. That is the Phantom helmet from Sena. It's a full face, not a modular, full face helmet. Super cool. We'll post a link where you can check these out on Sena's website. Use my link if you would. Thank you all for watching. And also, there'll be a code there for 10% off of your purchase. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a video. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.
Right on.